You remember me keep the Jamaica sitting? Me and I do business together, you know. But, you know, put her in her one little thing. I remember saying me ugly people not that good, you know. So me put her in her category by herself. Me keep the party. She keep on. How you keep yourself? You not invite me. You know this. You know that. Oh, you not invite me this and that. I say, Mac, remember, we are the business. Me can't have you up in front of my wife. The RT, them now like that. And furthermore, Nikki will spit on you. So me can have you up round me when time of business we are play. Now the thing come out a light and now it come out a light and everything and blood clot. She still a play it. I know it's still a play it. I mean, remember say it goes so. I pay me PR, but I'm glad you come talk. Say, hey, I'm glad you say I pay me PR and it was playing. Okay, I'm glad you thought that the part they can't go like you ain't want talking. But people, you know me, don't care. A long time me want to get that after Mackerel and a secret for me. Mackerel know nothing about me. You she say me did what fuck her. So that confirms that me never fuck her. Because nothing I did feel like say me did fuck her. So I'm glad she say did what fuck her indicate that me never fuck her. At least someone will rule that. But when me I say still, before me change the topic is, why me dash it upon her this morning, she I forget it is. No, I Nikki spit pan her. But listen, the thing is when I want you to understand, right? People, my fans, you don't know when my head crab me talk anything. She have to talk about, alright, we never want to go this time. I could talk about this first. So I am there minding my own business and she hacked stick bad for my number in WhatsApp. Mind my own business, me a posting on my story, she come in on my inbox. You know me always have my receipt, but I'm not ready yet. I answer that cockroach, alright. And when you know, say me no care. So listen now. So when time she come and she talk about the Royal Saturday, so I say post the Royal Saturday. I say post the Royal Saturday. She say yes, she text me so she make a video. Right? So I say post the video, send me the video. No. So you know, see that girl I try, you know, in other words, let me say something to you. Mackerel is a girl that I like. You know when you know some people where you them have a little energy and you rap with them, but you know say them love money and at the same time you know say she in need of it. So that is not a big problem to me. Because I me advise her and deal with her for money energy. Me advise her. Me and I will sit down and talk. But it's just that me always I say, Mackerel, every time you come now, you want to give me the money energy. I mean the only money I talk to. I'm out to people. I don't mean if I'm out to the business. That's how we laugh and steer. But the thing about it is, me I say to her, I say, post the thing for me. Right? Mackerel knows that when she see me, she gets something. And that me tired of too. That's why you see me come out here and say, me get a big lick in the morning, yeah. Because here when me tired of too. Me I give you because me know you in need. You a try take it in your mind, say like a general ship. Me tired of that. As earlier here, me say, me da like somebody for who be me, for stop, give and stop, help. Lead to see she come back here, so no. Because I help she in the fact that knowing that she in need of it when I get a look at and then people $10,000, $15,000. But one thing I want you know, remember I come from Winford from this 3 months rent, I pay for I pay the in-back, I pay 2 months rent. Remember I come tell you that. Remember I tell you say I furnish the room, I buy my bed and them something, I talk all of that. And it's the situation is just because Lava tell her to cut me off with the whole Mackerel and things and blah, 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 blah. And then me just draw out from there, so. Because she started as a Lava manager and rare. That is why me have a problem with Lava. Because when me and Mackerel did go on, and him come in and rare, I cut her off. And she and Lava fall out. And when she and Lava fall out, she run come back in and exact. You understand? Nothing more. Mackerel is just an associate, nothing more. Mackerel is just an associate, but when me just want, you know now why me bam her like that, and never she bam me and me done her. Because me tired of she too. Because me tired of she give me look money them and then you go tell me say, you post something for me have to pay you. Like, literally me I try to say, you know, all when, no man, it's not friend. No, I don't know friend things. I don't know friend thing. Friend have nothing to do with it. It's just that, listen, me and Mackerel and a friend, because Mackerel can't call me and talk up to me like that. Me not keep friend. The friend them who you see road me or who you see Danda, Nikki, and them do me not keep friend. The work when me do me not drawing to people. But Mackerel is just like it, I say you have a client or associate. Differently where you rate her upon her energy. But the only thing I am saying to the people them is, the reason why me give her this big blam this morning, me tired of she too. Because every little thing me I call her for do, she a come talk about say, money, and then when she post it for her people, them fan for them page come like say them not like me neither, so them go away. Simple. That they say it, right? That's all. Mackerel, I tell you now, you know, saying can't make, I mean, never want to say, and this, you know, listen this to the royal family. Let me say this to you. I match me band, me talk my mind. I don't want to feed into the Mackerel energy. Leave me a Mackerel. If Mackerel want to go answer, because you so know some mistake. If Mackerel want to go answer and go talk that a fair blood clot business, my Mackerel look at it too, you know, and everybody look it. Nah, no problem. But at the end of the day, I'm just trying to say, no, me want blame her in the corner, me blame her the right way. Yeah, what she just said a while ago, oh, you do bring down people and bring down spice. No, that is the capital game where the whole of them use to say bring down. But the end of the day is, because she begs, so she look at word, bring down. Let me say something too, no. Well, if I bring down spice for reach, so I'm very proud of it. Who else to bring down? Who else to bring down? One thing, me can't tell the whole blood clot that I want down there, you know. I say, if you become my enemies, you will never reach nowhere and can't go nowhere and can't pass me. You shall be under my foot. Me tell all I want that, and I'm going to make that be another thing to everybody again. I'm going to say this. If me and you was friend, and you automatically come here and class me, and I put you on an enemy list, and I say to my spirit and my realms that you are a part of my enemy list. Just make you know that anyone is on my enemy list, you shall have sleepless and wondrous night. Why? Because I don't trouble people. So me will ensure that the messenger then beat out your good blood clot all of your life. And I will give account for that on the day of Christ. So I just want to be known, me not hide it out there. So I just want you to know, if you look, want the fans them to look on them face. Me want the fans them to know all of them, no matter who. Once them become an enemy list target pan RT and them a fight against them, me want all my fans them start clap them. Because one thing I want you to know, once them against me and they start against me, want to see you clap them literally, you know, RT. Because guess what, them not gonna pass RT, them not gonna can't go nowhere. From the minute them violate RT, a shoes lace and RT put them, on the RT foot RT a walk on them. Biblically facts. I mean, not hide it. Let me tell all the judge that. So, don't want nobody beat up themselves. Me no want nobody fear war. I am a good man. But one thing me tell the universe and me tell God. Anybody behind anybody's my enemies in this life. Me now wait till the next one. I shall beat your blood clot physically. Out of the body. Right there. I mean now hide me talk. I march me band. Me speak my mind. Not threaten nobody, but me just say it randomly. Normally say it all the while. Because no found no followers say. But me notice you don't make them disrespect you and yeah, whatever. The thing is, I am not an evil person, but I'm not an evil person. But what I want you to know is